Greetings to our fellow Ilonggos. My name's Daryl, and today we will exploring the vibrant world of the contemporary arts.
And I am Mort, and we're here at Iloilo Museum of Contemporary Art.
So that's right, Small. So let's buckle up and take a look inside.
And there you have it, the Iloilo Museum of Contemporary Arts, the first in the Visayas region that focuses on modern and contemporary arts. It was also established in 2018, and thanks to the partnership of Kevin Tan and Edwin Valencia, we wouldn't be looking at all the beautiful art inside. Isn't that right?
Standing at 15 feet from its base, the statue depicts an Iloilo Dinagyong warrior known as Dato Paiburok. Call me Chris, and we are here at a famous tourist attraction at the Iloilo River Esplanade.
Iloilo banwa ko, ang tanang ginhatag mo. Iloilo banwa ko, kanta ko para sa imo.
The first instance of Philippine flag being raised was outside Luzon, as Martin Delgado held the flag high in the cry of Santa Barbara, a call for revolution, signaling the unity and determination of Visayans in the fight against Spanish colonial rule. Santa Barbara has always stayed true to its roots, continuing to preserve the various and vibrant cultures that once coveted its unique homestead. The journey to St. Bernard Novitiate was a ride worth the anticipation. John Michael Morata and his companion John Darrell Zausa serve as our vessels of curiosity and exploration, determined to showcase the beauty of the church.
With the influence of Spanish architecture, St. Bernard Novitiate is a picture-perfect church worth visiting.
The St. Bernard Novitiate, built in 2012, based on neo-colonial churches in Spain and Mexico.
This church is located in Barasan Oeste, Santa Barbara in Iloilo, a religious building associated with the Roman Catholic Church used for religious services. Started by siblings from the Gubuyan Guadana clan, they pioneered the first ice cream, or sorbete, in Iloilo, specifically in the barangay of Anilao in Pavia.
Today, we'll be visiting the long-running family business of Tita Bern Ice Cream.
Here we are at the Tita Bern Ice Cream headquarters with Mr. Ramil Abakahin, a Sorbetes business owner.
Si Mr. Ramil Abakahin. Actually, may isa ako kabata, kaga ang akon nga asawa gya si Ann May Abakahin. Ang amon na negosyo ay ang Tita Bern Ice Cream.
Good morning, everyone. Today, I'm here with our local artist from Pavia, Richie Gumban, or Richie Tos Gumban.
Ako gali si Richie Gumban, nga Pabia, 53 years old. Ako isa ka artist sa Pabia. Nag-start ko ka pag-drawing since elementary. Sketch, mga na. Tapos, drawing sa notebook. Sa darayon lang kuan. Nag-improve ko pagka high school. Moto nag-contest kami. Kaya mo na ang darapak sa college.
Paano mo na paano ka nakapangita nga ang imo nga potential ara sa pag-ubra acrylic on canvas? Nasa mga art pieces na.
Ang sa una high school ko, idol ko nga si Juan Joy Fernando. Mo nang sagad niya mag-portrait, mga canvas, subong pansida sang iyang school bla. Kada pasabi ka may obra ko, magbakal ko kang material, gahapit ko. Idol ko siya kung paano mag-ubra, na i-develop ko ang ubra ko bla. Ilang mo na.
Wala ba siya na-start mo yung mga acrylic?
Na-start.
Mo talent nga sa art. Ano ang nagpasige kanimo nga himuon mo siya career? Biskan nga locally ka lang bala kang imo career, di ka lang sa Pavia. Kag anong pinakabudlay ra tungod nga sa Pavia ka lang kang imo nga art.
Ang una may nagkuan ra sa akwan mo, may siling lang nga upod ka sa amon nga ma-exhibit kami. Kung sa akon daw, di ko bala maano nga may pamilya ka rin. Bagay, kuhan ka rin daw sa isip mo, makaubra ka rin sa imong kaugalingan ba nga urbrahan nga bilang artist. Tapos, muna, try nga kuhan nga pag-ubra. Experience ko man nga moray nga do bilang kung ano magpanami sa imong obra.
Anong namudlayan mo nga since ang imo art local lang gid pagbaligya mo nga mura?
Dire lang ko sa pagbiyay, di damo man nagakilala sa akon nga mura mo. Isa may pangita nga mura may obra mo kay baga sa isip mo ram.
Pila na ang imo usually nga na earn sa pagbaligya kay mo arts or sa mga arts and design nga career?
Di sa base sa akon nga nabaligya, base man ko sa sa karubrakan bala kung mabadlay, makita mo na kung mabadlay siya kung pirang size ang kadakuon. Murag base ko na sa mga guwan, isang pinakataas mga 7,000.
Kung wala na mga questions, sir, thank you again.
Thank you, man.
The legacy of dirty ice cream lives on. A sweet and cold delight rooted in history. In 1965, the Gubuyan Godenya siblings began this tradition, which has passed through generations, still bringing joy to every corner. Today, one of those who keep the spirit alive is Tita Bern Ice Cream, serving happiness from past to present. Richie Gumban, a local artist from Pavia, continues to prove that art is alive and thriving. With each stroke of inspiration and creation of his hands, it shows that the soul of art will never fade, but will endure through every masterpiece and new expression.